Oh. Oh. That's hard. That's disgusting. That. Listen to it. Listen to it. D. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I got it, baby. Oh. That's nasty, man. That's hard. Oh. That's hard, man. Oh. That's nasty. Woo! That's nasty, man. Beat. Oh. Oh, I'm the bass line. Woo, that bass line hard. That's nasty. Oh man, That's nasty. Welcome back to 5 new patches. Are you ready to make something disgusting? Let's hop into it right now. Make it nasty. Alright, so today we are back in Serum, and we're going to be using the wavetable called, I believe it is called Additive Talk in the S2 Tables section, digital section. Alright, we're going to go through our phase and random to 0. We're just hopping right into it. So, this is what we're going to be using. We're going to go ahead and make our first initial patch, and we're going to make 4 more patches by building upon our initial patch. Alright, that's what patch production is. If this is your first time here, my name is Isaiah. I'm a sound designer. I specialize in making disgusting sounds in your favorite software, and I deliver those sounds to you every single month. Let's hop into it. All right, so let's go into our wavetable position to 3 for now. Turn on oscillator B. We're going to just go to the spectral section. We're going to go ahead and select Reese Mess 1. Throw the phase and random to 0 here. Go into that wavetable position to 39 on oscillator B. And now let's go to envelope 2. Go and throw the attack out to about, let's go ahead and say 140 milliseconds. Throw envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator A. That's nasty. Put that out of 42 and throw envelope 2 onto the wavetable position of oscillator B. Put that out of dot of 56. Now let's beef it up. Quick way to do that is just to throw a distortion in. Change it from tube to overdrive. Throw the drive to 60%. Now it's way louder. All right. Now go ahead and bring in an equalizer. Put the right side gain down to 3 and the left side gain down to 3. Now go ahead and bring in hyper dimension. Go ahead and throw the hyper to 0 and the dimension to 10. And go ahead and what that does, by the way, is it just kind of widens up the sound without destroying your fundamentals and that causing phasey issues. All right, now go ahead and bring in a reverb. Change it from plate to hall. Throw the low cut up to about 26. Throw ahead the pre-delay to about 310 with the decay time of 7.5 with a mix of about 13 or 12%. Yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring on our sub oscillator. Now go ahead and bring in a noise and throw the level of the noise to 0. Throw envelope 2 onto the level of the noise. Put the outer dot of 40%. It just gave it some nice grit in the background. That's nasty. Now let's find a better phase. Alright, go ahead and adjust the oscillator B's phase to 161 degrees. Around, we're going to move our left side gain dial on our equalizer up to about 5. Just kind of reinforce that low end a little more. So now we have a nice initial sound. That's nasty. That's nasty, man. Oh, so there's our first sound, right? Now, let's go ahead and save that here. Mockery 1, all right? Now, the next thing we're going to do that I always like to do with these sounds in these patch tutorial videos is to turn it into a movement bass next. We had a sustain first, now let's make a movement bass out of it. So go ahead and throw the level of oscillator A down to 0. Very simple. And then go ahead and throw LFO 1 onto level of oscillator A. Leave it as it is, press a button and see how it sounds. You've got a movement bass now. We can go ahead and put that LFO 1 rate to about 1/8, depending on whatever your tempo is. Mine is 104 beats per minute. So now when I got... That's nice. That's pretty nice. So there it is. There's Mockery number 2, all right? Now we just made a simple movement bass out of it. Now let's change a little bit more of how this thing sounds, right? So let's play with the warping slide of oscillator A. Put a sync on here. Let's see what happens now. Oh, that's nice. Go ahead and put the sync to 1.05%. Throw envelope 2 onto the sync here. We're going to modulate into a position to get a different harmonic out of this. There it is. That's nasty. Oh! Now there's Mockery 3 right there. We just used the warping slide of oscillator A to add a different way. It's called wave morphing. The sync is the wave morphing option in Serum here to kind of adjust the harmonic and bring out a new harmonic rather in the sound. All right. So now we can turn this into all sorts of things. Now let's go ahead and bring in a filter, okay? So first, let's adjust this again for our Mockery number 4. Let's adjust the outer dial on the sync. To adjust that outer dial to 54%, just kind of brought it up an octave almost. Now we're going to go ahead and bring in a filter, okay? Keep it on MG low 12, throw the resonance up to about 48%. Put it on for oscillator A and B. That's, ooh, go ahead and adjust that resonance even harder. Move it to 68%. Oh my gosh, throw the cutoff to 145 and throw envelope 2 onto the cutoff of the filter. Oh my gosh. Now go ahead and turn key tracking on as well, all right? The cutoff of the filter is at 606 hertz, though the envelope 2 is on the cutoff of the filter with an outer dial of 24%, drive of 4%, all right? Make sure key tracking is on. It makes a big difference. So with it on, without it, that sounds sick. Oh! But with the key tracking on, it just kind of, that's, ugh. You could do that as an A sound and a B sound. That's sick. Oh! That's nasty. That's nasty, man. Oh, that's Mockery number 4 right there. That's sick. Now, one more sound. We're just trying to use as many things in Serum as we can from like a basic standpoint, right? Just so you can learn things practically, not trying to dive into like any matrix stuff yet. Just to show you, okay, the stuff when you open up the program, what do you see that's directly in your face that you could manipulate to get a disgusting sound as quickly as possible and as practically as possible. Okay? I mean, you can't tell me this ain't nasty. That's disgusting. You hear it with the Mockery number 5. What we haven't done is change. We can add a modifier, a wave morphing thing onto the warping slide of oscillator B. What could we do here? Let's play around. Let's like a bend plus minus. Let's turn the filter off. Don't like that. I mean, I could find something I like about it, but I'm looking for like straight up nastiness. We could go PD from A. Or we could throw this off and we could say, let's go PD from B. That didn't work. That's usually better with a basic shape. Doesn't sound good with FM from B either. Oh. Now what else can we do to kind of make sure... Oh, that changes some things too. Okay, so go ahead and move the unison and oscillator B from 1 voice to 2 voice to the detune to 0.09. It just gives it some dissonance, okay? Throw a sync on the warping slot of oscillator B. Put that to 1%. Throw envelope 2 onto the outer dial of the sync here, or onto the sync rather, and put the outer dial to 100%. All right? Now on the warping slot of oscillator A, change it from a sync to a bend plus minus in the alt warp section. Go ahead and put that to 68. I guess that's minus 68% it looks like. And go ahead and throw envelope 2 onto the bend plus minus here. Put the outer dial to 58%. Now we've got... That's nasty. What a sick sound. We could even make it... Ooh. That's hard too, but let's make it like... We can make the LFO curve on LFO1 here into a sustain ramp. Put the rate on LFO1 to 1/2. Move this back and create a sustain ramp instead. That's pretty sick. And then just move it down so that isn't too loud. For oscillator A was kind of too loud. Just kind of mix it in so we get both oscillators in there good. That's sick. And what we can do here is though, let's see, what can we do? So let's go ahead and remove modulator envelope 2, okay, off of the warping slot of oscillator B's sync here, and now go ahead and put the sync to 100, or put the sync to 16%, okay. But now what we're going to do is we're going to throw a macro onto this sync and put that outer dial to minus 100. So now as we move this, we can get different tonalities. That's nasty. Ugh. The way it fucking... We could exaggerate that and make it go kind of like this. There it is. That's disgusting. What a disgusting sound. Oh my gosh. That blap, 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 blap. Yeah, turn key tracking off of the filter to make that happen, okay? That's nasty. And then the macro is set to 29, by the way. That's nasty. That's Mockery 5 right there. Nice and simple. Well, it took me a minute to kind of figure out what I wanted to do with that. But those are 5 new patches in Serum. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like videos like this, the best thing you can do is like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. And if you like these sounds, don't want to make them, you can get them over at patreon.com/Hard Academy every single month, because I deliver it to you. Disgusting sounds every single month. These sounds in the patch production series, as well as tons of other sounds that are not in this series. So if that's your cup of tea, you know where to go. Other than that, that's all I got. That was another patch production. Hope you guys enjoyed. Now get the fuck out of here. Go make something disgusting.